भाइयों ने ये रिपोर्ट नहीं दी कि ये खर्चा गलत हुआ। ऐसे भाइयों ने इस पूरे खर्चे को स्वीकार किया और इस विषय पर कोई फाइंडिंग नहीं दी। ये सारा आरोप बेबुनियाद है, एकदम अपने आप में गलत है। मुझे केवल इतना ही कहना है।
In all fairness to me, the defamation should have been against me. And the unfortunate part is that I won't be getting a notice.
Scared of any action by BJP?
I'm speaking against corruption. Do you think the party will take action against me because of corruption? Because I'm speaking against corruption.
इसमें इंक्वायरी ऑफ कमीशन सेटअप किया जाए और उसके लिए कल विधानसभा का स्पेशल सेशन बुलाया गया है। तो कल हम विधानसभा का स्पेशल सेशन बुलाएंगे और उसमें इसको पास कराएंगे। वो जितनी चीज़ें सामने आ रही हैं वो सारी चीज़ें उसमें इन्वेस्टिगेट करेगा कल, क्योंकि अब कैबिनेट में डिसाइड किया है। तो उसके बाद विधानसभा अभी वन मैन कमीशन है।
श्री अरुण जेटली ने कोर्ट में चैलेंज किए हैं इसको, इसीलिए मैं मानती हूँ पार्लियामेंट में भी चर्चा करने के लिए खुद आकर के वो सामने आकर के कहे, इसीलिए इसके ऊपर पार्लियामेंट में भी होना चाहिए और कोर्ट में तो चर्चा।
अरविंद अगर वापस लेते हैं अपने जो है
बेबुनियाद आरोप डालने से पहले सोचना था।
An inquiry, of course, but if you don't hold this kind of an inquiry, there will be inquiry in the trial.
He should be resigned, sir.
Who?
He should be resigned, Arun Jaitley.
Please don't ask me. But I dislike him on so many other counts that this is just not necessary for me.
And Bhupendra Chaubey, who's been tracking the action, joins us from outside the Patiala House Court, where the finance minister filed his plea. Bhupendra, it's a state chief minister versus a union minister.
It really is the first of its kind in Indian history, where a serving finance minister comes to court to lodge a complaint, a criminal complaint on that, against a constitutionally elected chief minister. Arun Jaitley has now decided to ensure that Arvind Kejriwal is fought not only politically but also legally. 5th of January is the next date, which has been fixed up by the judge here. And on that day, Mr. Jaitley will once again have to come to the Patiala House Court to record his evidence. By all practical accounts, just on the basis of the number of ministers who are accompanying Mr. Jaitley here, it seems that the BJP as a political party has taken this decision that Arvind Kejriwal has to be taught a lesson as far as the BJP strategy is concerned. Arun Jaitley and others believe that for far too long they've allowed Arvind Kejriwal to indulge in politics of shoot and scoot. They believe enough is enough. And with the kind of serious allegations which have been leveled against him, they believe that the best way to deal with Arvind Kejriwal is to settle with him in the court. The only question which has not been answered is that why has Arun Jaitley decided to leave out Kirti Azad from the list of those individuals against whom he's filed this criminal complaint? After all, it was Mr. Azad who made that initial move of going to Arvind Kejriwal with his complaint, which really has set off this entire chain of events which has brought Arun Jaitley here to the Patiala House Court today.